The article I reviewed was titled Impact of Multimedia Assisted Teaching on Student Attitudes to Science Subjects by Jan Zahorik, Elena Haskova, and Martin Belek. This article was published in the Journal of Baltic Science Education in 2014. Most multimedia research looks into the effects of multimedia-assisted teaching on students' levels of learning. However, these researchers sought to answer, and I'm quoting them here, whether or how multimedia-assisted teaching can influence students' attitudes to school subjects, end quote. The researchers conducted surveys, one given at the beginning of their research and the other at the end, with the students enrolled in one of 3 physics classes, in order to gauge their interest and attitudes towards physics. Physics was chosen because amongst the natural sciences, it is typically the least popular. Of the 3 classes of physics, all of which were taught by the same teacher, one was a control group that was taught without any multimedia aids. They relied strictly upon the textbook. The other 2 classes were both taught with the use of multimedia. However, the type of multimedia that was used in the 2 classes differed. One of the experimental groups' exposure to multimedia was simply through the instructor's use of PowerPoint, which was used to offer visual supportive concepts, so the PowerPoint was supplemented with pictures illustrating concepts. The other experimental group used multimedia to which each individual student had access. In addition to having access, this multimedia also offered animations and interactive simulations, which the students could tinker with on their own time, at home or possibly even in class. In the initial survey, the researchers found that both experimental groups viewed physics as uninteresting, unattractive, and that they rarely understood their teacher. However, on the second survey, which was given at the end of the 3-month research period, the group with access to the more interactive multimedia ranked physics as more attractive, interesting, and also showed a more positive attitude toward the difficulty, ability to be understood, and the importance to their life. The PowerPoint group, however, showed no real improvement in their attitude towards physics. This led the researchers then to conclude that multimedia can improve student attitudes towards subjects. However, they noted that not all multimedia is created equal. In essence, the more interactive multimedia is, the more likely it is to improve student attitudes. If student attitudes are improved toward a subject, this likely has a trickle-down effect in areas of student motivation and achievement.